Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error where this launcher is stuck at 0%. It is very annoying, but luckily very easy to fix, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is press the Windows button plus I. Go to Network and Internet, and you want to go to whatever you're using. I'm using an Ethernet, but for you it might be Wi-Fi. Click on that. From here, go to DNS Server Assignment. From here, change this from automatic to manual. Change this from IPv4, and you want to set this to 1111, and the alternate server to 88888, and save it. Yes, it sounds weird. Why would that fix the issue? But it, according to a lot of people, this has fixed their issue. So give it a try. If it didn't, just revert it back. The next thing you want to do is reinstall the launcher. So if it stops or creates folders without installing, just rerun the installer to see if that works. And the last step is to run the launcher in administrator mode. So after you've downloaded it, take the installation installer, right click it and say run as administrator, and that should do it. If this helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. If it didn't help you, leave the video a comment and I'll do my best to get back to you.